Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to unhide hidden apps on your iPhone iOS 18. First of all, let's hide this Yahoo Mail app. So I'm tapping on Require Face ID and tapping on Hide and Require Face ID. After verifying my face, tapping on Hide app, and the specific app will be hide from both home screen and app library. And now let's see how to find all hidden apps and how to unhide them. To do that, go to your iPhone app library, and in your app library you will find this hidden album folder, and inside of this hidden album you will find all of your hidden apps. Now first of all, you have to unhide these hidden apps. So tap on it and verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified your Face ID, all of your hidden apps will be visible here. Now to unhide any app, hard press on the app and just tap on Don't Require Face ID. And now again verify your Face ID, and the app will be removed from hidden album and the app will be again added into your app library. And that's how we can unhide any app. And now to add the specific app again in your iPhone home screen, just from your app library, hard press on the app and just tap on Add to Home Screen, and the app will be added again in your iPhone home screen. So that's how we can easily unhide apps on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.